Y'all don't know what's going on with this case right here. But the judge got to get on his P's and Q's. I don't know if he ready to retire. Hey, y'all. How y'all doing? But I don't know if he need to retire, what he needs to do. But the judge had to pause this hearing, y'all. I thought this was a trial. This a hearing. Okay, for the suspect. They had to this a hearing, but they slow with it. But anyway, y'all, let's take a look at it. I picked it up better off the reporting.
An unexpected turn in the Ashley Elkins murder case this afternoon. The judge paused the preliminary hearing. Thank you for joining us and staying with us. I'm Glenda Lewis.
And I'm Simon Shaket. Ashley Elkins disappearing earlier this year.
And her ex-boyfriend, DeAndre Booker, is accused of killing her and disposing of her body. The Warren mom of two, last seen January 2nd. On January 7th, police searched Booker's home, finding a massive crime scene, including Elkins' blood. Booker was arrested and charged with lying to police, but the body of the Warren mother has never been found.
7 News Detroit reporter Darren Cunningham in Roseville explaining why there is now a delay in finding out if DeAndre Booker will stand trial for murder.
Ashley Elkins' family anticipated hearing a decision on whether her ex-boyfriend, DeAndre Booker, would be sent to trial. But the judge decided to pause the preliminary hearing so that the court transcripts and evidence can be reviewed. And after going into the judge's chambers, all attorneys agreed.
Now, I admit, this is highly unusual, right? You know, the judge could have made a decision today right there from the bench, but he felt it was important to see the transcript, to review all the evidence that came in.
Ashley Elkins' uncle, attorney Maurice Morton, says sitting through 4 days of disturbing testimony has been challenging. He says that's why her mother, Monica, who testified the first day, wasn't there.
Yeah, I think it was the third or second day when they went through that blood evidence in detail. That was very difficult with the family because then you start to visualize what occurred in that apartment.
Now, the court says it could be another 2 to 3 months while the court reporter types up the transcripts and then for the attorneys to write their arguments.
You know, defense counsel may have made a request to see the transcripts. You know, prosecutor did present almost 200 exhibits, right? And you're talking about hours of video. And so, you know, in a case like this, that's a circumstantial evidence type case, so, you know, you don't have a body. You know, I think the judge is being very careful. And the judge wants to review the evidence and wants to take his time before, you know, rendering his decision.
Good
He's
judge.
thought about this.
Booker remains in the Macomb County Jail on murder, tampering with evidence, and mutilating a dead body.